everyone, there's another easy wallet that you can use for gift card, coins, or anything you want. I'm just give you an idea. Remember that I have the 8.5 inches paper and by 11, so the Xerox paper, I'm going to fold it in half so I can draw a Valentine heart shape. You can put all kind of candy or all kind of stuff if you want to. Little gift, little diamond ring, bracelets, or earring, anything you want. So I'm going to use maximum down here for the pointy of the heart shape, and then I'll use the maximum up here too. So I'm gonna go like that, free hand draw the heart shape. And then from here, go like that up. Just like so. Cut this out. Then I have a template. Sometimes if you don't cut the right way, it's hard to fold and everything is not gonna line up for you. And so I use the template and I trace on heat and bond tape. You can buy that at Walmart. One with the paper and the other one is sandy. I go on the side with the paper so it's smooth and easy for me to So everyone, after I cut out the heart shape, first I'm going to pick two different colors of the fabric, one with the polka dot and one with the solid colors. You can this and then turn the heat on the medium low heat. Every time you buy a fabric from the fabric store, make sure you wash it, dry, and fold it and put it away. And before you making something, you can iron it. When sometime I have time, I just pull out my fabric and start ironing it, and then I fold it back on. So all you can do when you're making it. So I'm gonna go very slow around. And I make sure it's staying down. If you overheat, it's not gonna be good, and if you're not doing right, it's not enough heat, it won't stay. So you can iron more if it's not enough heat. So do that. I hope everybody have a wonderful and then you're going to iron this together. So the main side facing out, or right side facing out, right side facing out, wrong side facing together, and iron. turn. This is going to be men's side, and I'm going to go into the back side. From here, I'm going to get this one. I don't want to fold it down yet. I don't want to mark and then iron, okay? So I'm gonna go from this point to this point. I'm gonna put the ruler, so make sure that's straight down for me. You're gonna make sure you do that, okay? Don't do that because it's not gonna be even. So make sure the pointy and then the center here, that mark, that match. And then you're going to mark 1.5 inches. It's right here. That 1.5 inches. Let me just draw the line so you can see the line right there. I'm just do the line because when you do that, you don't need to do the line, but I have to do the line so to show you. Now I'm gonna turn in this way, and I'm going to flap this over right there. Press. Iron. With heat and bone interfacing, when you iron, you're going to turn it up high. When after you cut the fabric like this, don't turn it up high when you iron. Well, on the side here and the side here, we're going to go in the center. I'm gonna turn this so I can fold it to the center here. You see that meet the center? And then on the other side, you're going to do the same thing. A lot of people say that origami is hard. It's not hard at all. You know what happened? Every time you fold twice, or sometimes you do 4 times you folding. And that this time I fold it over again. So that's why when you're watching my video, if you have to go to the restroom or something like that, you come back, I still folding. Now it's getting a little hot. Now I'm going to turn it down a little bit. So you know your iron, work around that. And so I have this folding this way. I'm going to go out. And then I fold in this way. Fold that half, the triangle half to that fold. And on this side, do the same. Half of this go to the fold. My channel, the only channel that I use origami on fabric. And the other day when I saw them doing something like exactly what I'm doing, it's like, oh my goodness. Alright, so now I have something like this. Now, I'm going to do some folding. To fold, you can see the last one that we just folded in. You're gonna do this. Hold on to this. The two. Put this in. Hold on to this one. And then this triangle here. You're going to make sure you're folding it out. And this one is like this. Push this in. So that is one side down. I'm gonna clip it down first, and I go to the other side. Hold this one, the one that I folded last, the triangle right here. Hold it, take this out like this, push it in. Like this. Push it in. So that top one right here, hold on to this little triangle. Now go on this side right here. This one right here will go on the top of that little one. Now and knead it up a little bit. Now you clip this out. I can show you. Now we have the fold like this. So now I'm going to sew. I'm gonna sew from all around the fold. You can go from the middle if you want to, or you can go from the straight at the curve in the middle and go all around. All the fold we're going to sew, but I will show you on the sewing machine. Go right around the flap, go on the side, whatever make it easy for you. From that point you can go all the way straight down. If not, you can go in the middle and then you get out and sew. But I think it's good to sew from the top and go all around. So now you can see I sew this all around, and then on this fold I sew it out to here. Remember, I go straight up here and go around to this side, go around to here and come in down here, and when I come back I just do the side in the middle, and now it's like this. Isn't that so cute? You can put the gift card in here for Valentine. So I'm going to fold this down. So hold it like this. Make sure everything look good. Fold it down this way. Make sure the side meet the side and everything. You're going to turn this iron up high so it can stay down. So after you iron everything, you're going to do the button. So fold it like this and add the button just like normally you do. So I'm gonna add about half an inch right there from the pointy. I'm gonna place this button down this hole, the one with the sticky thing up. I show you many times, so I don't think you don't know what to do. And then from here you're gonna press this down, that one side, and then you go onto this side. You're gonna press, and then you're going to mark the other side for the other button. I suggest that you use the thread cutter to cut a little bit because of the heat and bone tape. Okay, and press this down. Just like so. And then place the other side of the button on. And from here you're going to do something. You're going to press this down. Basically, that is that, everyone. We're finished with this wallet and for gift card. Super easy, everyone can do. And now you can put the gift card in there. If you want to give out a gift card, you can put the gift card in here like that, or you can put money. If I have money with me here, I can put it in. Okay, just pretend you put money for Valentine or whenever day, wherever holiday you can too. Place it in here like that and then snap it down, and that's it. Or you can use this to carry your change. If you have so much change and you don't know what to do with it, then you can add it. You can place it in there. Or your change, or the thing that you don't want change to fall out in your pocket, you have to dig through, then you can put it in here just like that. And it's roomy here. You see how cute that is? And then close this. It's gonna stay in here for you, and whenever you need to change, you can take it out. It's super easy. Look at that side right here, and on this side same, like that. Very easy, everyone. Right across is 4.5 inches. Coming down, it's 3 inches. It's the paper right here. You're gonna fold from here 1 inch and half right there. Fold it, and then this side you fold it into the center. This side go to the center. You have them make your kid, if they want to do activity for the weekend or for their friends or teacher. After that, you're going to take this out, and this half go to half. Remember, with the paper, you don't need to sew. If you ask me which way you sew on the paper, I'm gonna die. Alright, so with the paper, you're gonna fold the other side like that again, like that. Okay, fold this one more time, and then this. Okay, so now you're going to hold this small one, the small triangle right there, holding this up like this. Okay, and all you need to do, just push this side in, push this in. You see, it's already in. With the paper, it's much easier like that, and then it's done just like so. And then you're going to put like a Valentine whatever in here on the top right here. Fold it down, that for the flap. From here you can go here, put the sticker on top of it, and some sticker in there when you're done, and then you add some cute button right on it, just like that, everyone. Stay safe, take care. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.